How to get backup code for two-step verification on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch a web browser. Go to search bar, type in roblox.com, press enter on your keyboard. Sign into your account. Proceed towards the setting icon at top right corner, then click on settings. Now go to security tab at the left side of the setting bar. Scroll down and here you will get variety of options. Simply you need to choose the hardware security keys option in order to get the backup codes. If you don't have two-step verification enabled, you can easily check mark the box or enable the button to turn it on. After that, the security keys is currently on wave only. You can set up authenticator first so that you can use two-step verification on all platforms. So click on OK button. So you'll be asked to enter your password and verify your identity, and you can use an authenticator app to scan the QR code presented to enable the two-step verification. Then after that you will receive 6 randomly generated backup codes that you can use if you lose access to your account. So you can randomly check your email address so that you can receive the code and then enter here, then you have to verify it. So that is how you can get backup code for two-step verification on Roblox. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.